Hello everyone, once again I would like to welcome you all into the class of chemistry. Friends, before this lecture we are going to completing our first topic, and the name of topic is nothing but chemical bonding and catalysis. After this topic in our syllabus, second topic is electrochemistry and corrosion. Out of these two parts, today's lecture we are going to start very important topic in chemistry, and the name of topic is nothing but electrochemistry. Name of topic is nothing but electrochemistry. Friends, if we see the word electrochemistry, then we will well going to understand that this word is made by two different words. Then what are these two different words? One is electro and another is chemistry. If we understand the meaning of the word electro is nothing but this word will becomes from the concept of electricity, while the chemistry comes from the concept of chemical reaction. And this is a branch of chemistry. In this chemistry, another different branches like physical, organic, inorganic, analytical, the different branch will be present on that core part of chemistry. Out of that, physical chemistry is one of the branch, and in this branch included the part of electrochemistry. Then the meaning of electrochemistry is nothing but it is a branch of physical chemistry where we are going to study the relationship between, here very important word, relationship between electricity comes to electrical energy and chemical reaction. Then such a branch is called as electrochemistry. म्हणजेच काय तर इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री ही फिजिकल केमिस्ट्रीची अशी शाखा आहे, ब्रांच आहे, ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी आणि केमिकल रिएक्शन या दोघांमध्ये असलेला संबंध म्हणजे रिलेशनशिपचा अभ्यास करतो. मीन्स द ब्रांच ऑफ केमिस्ट्री where we will going to study the relationship between electrical energy and chemical reaction. Then such a type of branch is called as electrochemistry. Now question arises that how this electricity will be generated. So the electricity generated means actually what happened, there will be a movement of electron take place. What is meant by electricity? Electricity is nothing but where or it will be generated when the movement of ions or electron take place. When the movement of ions or electron take place, at that time the electrical energy will be generated. If we consider one of the best example in simple words, if A is one of the atom and B is another atom, and these two atoms, if we are going to connected by means of electrical wire, this is the atom A, this is the atom B, and these two atoms are connected by means of electrical wire. If we pass the electric current from A to B, at that time what happen? In this wire there will be a presence of a metal wire where the movement of electron will take place. At that time electrons are pulled from this position to this position, and finally it can comes into the atom B. Means in case of electricity, or when the electrical energy will be generated, at that time what happen? The movement of ions will be take place from one atom to another atom. So that we will going to study related with the electrical energy and chemical energy related in this topic. So we know that the word energy will becomes into the different criteria. Like we know that the types of energy is divided into different types. What are these different types? One is electrical energy. Another type is chemical energy. Another type is chemical energy. Again, another type is solar energy. Again, another type is wind energy. Again, the energy is divided into different types like heat energy. Again, the type like potential energy. So these are the n number of different forms of energy. And in the branch of electrochemistry, we will going to study the relationship between these two. These two types of energy. Means in electrochemistry, we will going to study the relationship between electrical energy and chemical energy. So we will well understand the definition of electrochemistry word. Now again question arises that what are the different types of examples of this branch present in our surrounding. If you look at in our surrounding, then there is n number of examples where the branch electrochemistry will be applied. If we see the batteries of our smartphone, our laptop, our different accessories, electrical accessories, then there will be a electrochemistry works. If we go to different hospitals, in that hospital there will be a one instrument, and this instrument will be work on the principles of electrochemistry. What are these instruments? Pacemaker is one of the best instrument where battery will be used, and this instrument will be helped to for the diagnosis of pulse or heart patients, so that there will be a electrochemistry again important. If you see in our surrounding, number of cars will be running on only battery, where the electrical energy will be stored, and this electrical energy useful for our survival or our traveling. So that purpose, again very important example where the technology will be developed by means of this branch. In this branch, what happen? Our phone is charged when we are going to charge it. Means that what happen? We will going to store the electric energy, and when it's stored, we will be used in different way or in our requirement, so that the electrochemistry branch is very important to us. So that purpose we are going to study this topic. So in our today's lecture we will going to just see the introductory part of our topic. At first we will going to start the second topic of our syllabus. Name of topic is nothing but electrochemistry and corrosion. Electrochemistry is nothing but it is a branch of physical chemistry where we will going to study the relationship between electric energy and chemical energy. Also the energy is comes from the different types of branches like heat energy, electrical energy, chemical energy, solar energy, wind energy. These are the different types of energy, but the relationship between electric energy and chemical energy we will going to study in case of electrochemistry. Again we are going to understand the concept of electricity, where the electrical energy will be generated. Electrical energy generated means what happen, there will be a movement of ions will be take place when we are going to start the electric current from one atom to another atom. It means that electricity is nothing but the movement of ion take place, and this electrochemistry branch will be used in all over our surrounding into the different ways, different purposes. These purposes we are going to value. So in our today's lecture we will going to understand these different concepts. From next lecture we are going to start the first concept or first syllabus point of this topic, electrolysis and its types. Electrolysis and its types. Okay, thank you very much.